Hi, this is Clarence from the ChronoLogic network, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar as a trigger for Automate. The purpose of this trigger is to reproduce the time scheduling function using Google Calendar. For example, I want to send Bob 1 Ether in the future, like 10 a.m. later. So basically, you'll create this Google Calendar event like send 1 ETH to Bob, something like that. And then Zapier is going to take a look at this and it's going to execute the transaction for you. Let's go to Zapier to set up your trigger. Click on Make a Zap button in Zapier. Select Google Calendar. Choose Event Start so that it triggers a specified time before the event starts. Click Save and Continue. We are going to connect our Google account on which you created the Google Calendar event. Click Save and Continue. Select the Google account that you just connected with. Let's set the trigger 30 minutes before the time of the event, or you can put any time you want. For the search term, let's put the title of the event that you created in the Google Calendar. Click Continue. Select the event that you created. You can check if this is the right event. Status confirmed. Send 1 ETH to Bob and 10 a.m. Click Continue. Then we add the Automate action. Let's go to my Ether wallet and get the signed transaction using Send Offline. We have a dedicated tutorial for this step, so I'll skip this part. Copy the signed transaction and paste the signed transaction in Zapier. Click Continue. And finish. Name your Zap and turn on your Zap. You can also add another step if you want to be notified with the transaction. You can choose any app from Zapier that will notify you, apps like Slack, Gmail, or Twitter. So we're done creating a Google Calendar trigger to send Ether or ERC-20 tokens to Bob in the future. Thank you for learning today.